How to add custom fake location on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add custom fake location on Snapchat app. Now if you want to fake your location on Snapchat app, first thing you want to do is head over to your app store and search in for fake location. Now search in for fake location right here and then select any fake GPS location app. Now I'll just select this one. You can see it's better. And once this gets downloaded and installed, what you want to do is open up this fake GPS app and then set up a fake GPS. Now you can see that the app has been downloaded. Now open it and it'll ask for settings, and now allow it to give settings. Now first what you want to do is turn on developer mode. Now head into your phone settings, scroll down and head into your about phone, and here head into your software information and tap on the build number multiple times. And once you do this, it'll ask you to enable developers mode. Now you can see that my developer mode has been enabled. On developer modes, what you want to do is under location you'll find the option select mock location app. Tap on it and now select the app that you just installed. And once you do this, what you want to do is head back and you can see it has been changed. Now what you want to do is set this little, you can see the pin option. Now you can set this to wherever you want. Now I'll just set it to here, Canada or United States. I'll just set it quickly right here, Colorado, sorry. And then what you want to do is once you pin down the location that you want to fake your location to, then simply tap on the play option on the bottom right corner of your screen and your fake location will be enabled. Now you can see my location has been enabled here. You are using a mock location showing up on my notification. Now head into Snapchat, and once on Snapchat, what you want to do is tap on the location option on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you can see that my location has been changed to Colorado. So this way you can fake your location on Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.